How's it going, guys, and welcome back into my YouTube channel. Alright, so you're on Facebook and you notice that your friend count has gone down, either 1 or 2 or maybe 3, whichever, but you want to find out who actually unfriended you on Facebook without any apps. As you know, I done a video before talking about Instagram. If you use any apps on Instagram, it's the same effect on Facebook, because these apps, like these unfollower apps, unfriended apps as well, this requires you to log in using your Facebook account or your Instagram account into a third-party app, and Facebook and Instagram will detect that you're actually using something that is kind of forbidden on their platform. And in the result of that, you will get banned. You know, like if you log into Instagram using a third-party app to find out who unfollowed you, and Instagram will just detect that you're using some app that they don't want you to use, and boom, your account will actually just get disabled, or even worse, you could just get banned altogether. Well, Facebook is the same. So without any apps, guys, without any apps, this is a quick and easy process. Only takes a couple of seconds, okay? So what you want to go and do, just go into your timeline, go into your Facebook page, go into the page, the timeline, okay? Everything that you post on there, okay? Just go into your page. Now, you might want to scroll down a good bit here. Maybe you might be lucky even the first or second post as well, your most recent one, you might be lucky in finding it there. But keep going down on your page, and all you gotta do is look at the likes. Maybe even pick a post that has maybe more than 20 likes, maybe 30 likes. What you're gonna do is click on the button there and see who liked that post or the picture or whichever you posted up as well. So I'm going to put up on the screen right now a screenshot on mobile here. I just, for demonstration purposes, I want to put it on the screen right now. This is on one of my posts as well, and I noticed actually last night I got someone that unfriended me on Facebook, and something just thought to myself, I said, hey, what if I just look at previous posts? Maybe this person that unfriended me actually liked one of my previous posts in the past or something, and apparently they did, you know, this person did. So here it is on the screen. As you can see, right, you can see all the top ones there. As you see, right, they're all still friends of mine, but look at the very bottom right there, it says add friends. So that's the person that actually unfriended you. It's a quick and easy way of doing this, guys, because like I said, if you log into some website or even download some app, type in your Facebook email and your password, and whoever has that like app is actually having your email and password as well. You know, there are a lot of dodgy apps out there as well. You don't know which one to trust as well, but to be on the safe side, do not use any apps whatsoever to check who unfriended you, because like I said, these will get you banned. Because last night I was there, right, I know, hang on a minute, I'm doing one friend on my page all of a sudden. Who unfriended me? I was like, you know, so I thought to myself, you know what? Let's scroll down through my timeline here and see, right? So this one has a lot of likes on it. So I said, hey, what if this person actually liked this post? And they did, okay? So in there, boom, okay, there's the suspect. There's the one that unfriended me right now. So that's all it is, guys. It's just something so simple like that. You just like, hopefully, just hoping that this person that did unfriend you is going to be one of those that actually liked one of your posts as well. Maybe another one as well, guys, another one. Check your profile pictures as well. Check the likes on your profile pictures. Check the likes on your cover photos as well. They might have liked that too. And if you notice one of them says add friend on it, they're the ones that unfriended you. So you know what? I hope this helped you out. Just something so simple like that. And let me know in the comments below, guys, if this helped you out. Just something so simple. Just takes a couple of seconds. Go into your page. Check all them recent likes on all your posts. Even scroll down even a couple of months ago even. You know, you'll actually be surprised. Hang on, why did this person unfriend me or something? What did I do wrong? Or, you know, like you're going to discover a lot of things here that people unfriended you ages ago and you just probably never noticed, you know. Like I know you're going to get people saying, oh, look, it doesn't matter who unfriended you. Why would you bother? Like some people it's a big deal, you know, like... You know, like, it doesn't bother me that much, you know, but, like, if it's someone I really know, in person, and I discover that, why did you just unfriend me on Facebook all of a sudden, you know? But, yeah, anyway, if this is something you're looking to do, to find out who unfriended you on Facebook, this is the way to do it. The quickest way, the safest way of doing it without entering in your email and your password to some... whatever app or whatever website. Just stay well away from them, guys. Alright, guys, I hope this helps you out. Leave a like on the video as well, please. And if you haven't done so already, please do hit on subscribe as well. Click on that bell as well. You get the ding then whenever I do upload a brand new video as well. Anyway, I will talk to you on the next video, guys. Thanks very, very, very much for watching, and have a good rest of your day. And I'll talk to you on the next one. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.